Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute and easy hairstyle, and this wig is from Unice Hair. So I had the honor of receiving this 24-inch highlight frontal wig, and it comes with 3 combs and adjustable straps. So that's a plus. The cap construction was pretty average. I don't believe I requested a small or large cap, so this is probably just average size. So here's the hair. Now, first thing I'm going to do is install it. So I'll just be quiet while that's installing and hop back on to finish the tutorial.
Better version, call me 2.5. Oh yeah, yeah. I got all the time in the world. No expectations at all. I just want what's best for you, girl.
Alright you guys, so first things first, we're going to part out that side for the bang. Not too little, just like the right amount of what I got. You don't want it to be too far to your ear because it will be in the way and it won't look right. So just a little bit amount of hair, and then you're going to braid that off to the side. So you guys, this hairstyle is probably the easiest hairstyle. It's literally a half up, half down. The twist is just that it's in a bang. So what I prefer to do with any frontal wigs I have, I always put a scarf over the edges, so it makes sure when I'm pulling I can get a tight ponytail and I won't, pull the lace up, especially because Got2b doesn't really have a super strong hold. So moving on, you're going to snatch a piece from the back and you're going to basically like wrap it around, and you are going to need a couple of bobby pins for this. So you're going to wrap it around and give it that type of ponytail effect, that you usually get if you got like an extended ponytail, and boom, it looks so cute. I was really happy because I didn't think this would look right, but it looks good. It just looks a little bit more flawless versus just having the hair tie and showing the ponytail. So I'm going in just for a little security, and I'm going to be spraying that, and now I'm going to be flat ironing the wig. So now I'm going in and taking that bang out, and we are going to run the flat iron over that as well. And that is pretty much the look. Now, if you guys love this, then give me a nice thumbs up. It'll let me know that you like this type of hairstyle videos. I know it was pretty swift, but it's a super easy, hairstyle, so it didn't take much. All the links for this wig will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am noticing some flyaways, so to avoid that, just get some oil or some edge wax or a wax stick and go over the ponytail. But other than that, I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next video.